Good evening, dear students around the world. Welcome to your new channel of English YouTube classes, English Pronunciation Course, Lesson 13. This is the shortest lesson in pronunciation because we don't have many words in this lesson. Pronunciation practice. Practice your pronunciation. Enjoy pronouncing words. Let's enjoy pronouncing words together. Let's have fun. By the end of this pronunciation lesson 13, you will have practiced and focused mainly on the pronunciation of the phonetic sound E. So it's long E. When we have I, two dots, it means that the sound is long. As I've said already, so in this lesson, we don't have many words that we are going to deal with. So the sound long E is generally present in words that have EI. So the words that have EI, they are very, very limited in English. So let's see the first slide. So I think this lesson has just 3 slides. Let's start with the first one. So the first word is conceive. Conceive. The second word, deceive. Deceive. The third word, perceive. Perceive. So in English pronunciation, when there is an R and after it consonant, so we don't write the R in the pronunciation, in the phonetic transcription. So the last word is receive. Receive. So let's repeat after me. Conceive. Deceive. Perceive. Receive. Let's go to the second slide. The second slide, the first word is ceiling. Ceiling. The second word, protein. Protein. The third word, seize. Seize. The last word, receipt. So the P is silent. It's not pronounced receipt, so it's receipt. Let's repeat after me. Ceiling. Protein, seize, receipt. Let's go to the last slide. The last slide, the first word is caffeine. Caffeine. The second word, deceit. Deceit. The last word is a name. So students, they pronounce it Keith, but no, it's Keith. Keith. So let's repeat for the last time the 3 words. Caffeine. Caffeine. The second word, deceit. Deceit. The last word, Keith. Keith. Let's go to next. So coming very soon, the phonetic sound I. So this is A and I. It's the phonetic sound or phonetic transcription of I. So we are going to study it very soon. That's the end of this pronunciation lesson 13. Until then, see you soon in lesson 14 on House School Hassane HSH and House College Hassane HCH. Please support our channel by clicking like if you like the content. Write a small comment, share the video with people you know, with your family, with friends. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel up to now, please do subscribe to help us continue serving you. Goodbye.